To import groups with the AD Pro Toolkit, come into Group Management, create groups, and then download the CSV template. And you will fill out the template. And here's an example. The name column is the name you want to give the group. Distinguished name is the OU you want to import the group into. So for this example, I'm going to put my groups in this demo OU. So I'm going to go to Properties, Attribute Editor, Distinguished Name, grab that value, and put that in the Distinguished Name column. And then enter in your group type, group scope, global, domain, local. You can give it a description. This is optional, and you can give it an email address, and that's also optional. So once you have this filled out, just save it. Come into Group Management, create groups, select your CSV file, import groups, click Run. You'll see the log file showing you the groups were created. If there's any errors, it will show you that on this screen here. So if I come into Active Directory, refresh, there you can see it's imported all my groups. Give me the group type, set a description, and then for some of the accounts, I set an email address there. So that's how you can easily bulk import groups with the AD Pro Toolkit. In another video, I will show you how to move groups from one domain to another. You basically use this tool to export the groups from one domain, and then on the other domain, you would just make your modifications to the CSV file, and then click Run, and it'll import the groups on your other domain. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.